Good morning from Lisbon. We've made it to Lisbon.
It's currently 11:30. We slept in a bit, but we're gonna go grab some breakfast. So follow along. So for breakfast, we came to the spot and we got the classic sandwich of Portugal. It's called bifana and it's just like pork, and we got cheese as well in a sandwich.
The two sandwiches, orange juice and Coke, €9, which isn't bad. Highly recommend you guys try out Trevo. Sandwiches were on point.
Yeah, yes? Very good.
Bang for your buck, seriously. The next spot that we just came to is called Miradouro de Santa Luís.
It's just like right? Santa Luís lookout point. There's some live music, lots of people, and we highly recommend it for some photos and just like a little nice lookout. And it's not too far from the city center, so we walked it.
It's like 19 minutes from like the center of the city.
We got scammed, like bad. To the max.
He perfected it, and so watch out. Watch out. Stuff for free.
We'll tell you
but
later.
Then €50 gone. We're gonna make our way down to a bus stop, taking the bus across the city to get the famous
Portuguese butter tarts.
Yeah.
The like famous place is in this little region called
Belém.
So we're gonna go there.
I try out some Portuguese public transportation. We're gonna see how the bus system is here instead of Ubering or taking a cab. Since we got scammed, we gotta save money.
Thank you. Okay, we got a box of like 6 or 8 of these.
For €8?
Yeah, we can show you the recipe after. But they're still warm, very fresh. They smell so good. We tried one, they're so good. Okay, ready? Oh, good.
Since 1837, they've been making these here. Definitely perfected it.
So good. Can you hold one on here?
A place to check out when you're in Lisbon, right?
It's so good. 10 out of 10. It's €1.30 for one.
Oh yeah, there you go. $1.30 a piece, which isn't bad actually. And the line was good during, like today is a Monday, during the day. There was no line, we pretty much didn't have to wait. 10 out of 10 experience, worth it. Definitely check it out. One of our favorite ways of getting around the cities in Europe are birds, limes, or any kind of electric scooters. And we ride 2 people on one to save the money. Just took like a 10-minute scooter ride down towards Lisbon. It's called the, what is it?
LX Factory.
That was like €4 for, I don't know. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. The €4 for the bird. They charge you 20 cents a minute, and if you get there fast enough, it's not bad.
If you're from Toronto, this is kind of like Distillery District vibe. Very cute, very nice, very hip.
Little place to grab beers, sit down, happy hour. So 2 beers, mojito, €6. It's not too bad actually. We're gonna head over to a market where it's just like a big food court. We're gonna check it out. Zooming through the streets of Lisbon.
to the Timeout Market. That's what it's called, Timeout Market Lisbon. And so we're gonna go inside and see what they have.
And we'll show you guys the options. Apparently it's supposed to be good, so high hopes.
We got some croquetas, 2 different kinds, total $3.60. Not bad.
There's traditional one and which one? Smoked sausage or something? Good. Meal number 2, steak tartar, one of our favorites. 15 euros.
Very good. The 3 salmon tataki with vermicelli noodles, it was 15 euros.
Bon appetit. Very good. Finished up at Timeout Market. Definitely worth visiting. It's not the cheapest place to eat, but it's not the most expensive either. So
It's like
I would
right
say
in between, and it's a nice vibe. It's just like a little market. You walk around, grab whatever you want, and sit at like shared tables. So it's really nice.
a lot of like finger foods, beer, stuff like that. Definitely worth visiting and checking out. No food on this vlog. All we do is eat and drink.
We hope you guys enjoyed our video today. That was day 1 of us in Portugal. Tomorrow we're going to some nearby cities, and we're gonna be traveling all around Portugal, like south, north, everywhere. So stay tuned for a bunch of those, but we just wanted to show you some little things you can do during the day in Lisbon.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Cheers!